This is a fantastic vantage point. I'm standing at the heart of the Hanover Place, Hanover Street, and this is the one of the most Brighton's iconic neighborhoods, known for its steep hills and colorful terraced houses. The view from the junction of the Quebec Street and the Hanover Place is a famous for. It's too famous now because it offers one of the best perspective of the city's vertical scale. I usually and normally watch this street from my balcony, so I'm here today. So what are you looking at? I'll show you the main city's infrastructure and the churches. If we look closely, that's a Saint Bartholomew's church, which is next to the London Road shops. So that massive red brick architecture structure dominating the skyline is often called Noah's Ark because of its shape and sheer size. At 135 feet, which is 41 meters, to the roof ridge, is one of the tallest parish churches in Europe. It's actually taller than Westminster Abbey's nave. So it was built in 1874 and designed to tower over the small Victorian cottages of the railway workers who lived below it. The aerial view, if I have to talk about the Brighton city, look at the giant, massive city spread all over the stretching out further. So because Hanover is built on a very steep ridge, you get that floating feeling, and from where you are, and I can see right across the valley of the London Road towards the North Laine and the Brighton mainline railway station. That's the one. If I move a little bit, now you see the valley of the London Road towards the North Laine and the Brighton mainline railway station. On a clear day, you can often see the sea and the I-360 tower peeking over the horizon back up my point. So, and that's all. I actually can't see it, the I-360 and the sea from here. Actually, it's in the south. So we are heading on camera in the north side. So if I move further, the neighborhood, you are in the Muesli belt, which is Quebec Street. It's up here. Quebec Street is a part of the cluster of streets named after Canadian locations: Montreal, Toronto, etc., built in the late 1860s to celebrate Canada becoming a Dominion. And I said, I'm now heading to beach, the Brighton beach. And if you watch, it's now 3 o'clock almost, 2:45.